On today's episode of recipes that you're definitely going to love, we are making this steaming hot and delicious pasta. So if you're a pasta lover and you're looking for a different way to make your pasta, then you should definitely try this recipe. And we're going to be pairing this with some delicious chicken wings as well. So keep watching, let me show you how to make it. So to make the sauce, you need some bell peppers, paprika peppers, onions, garlic, and some chili peppers as well. So go ahead to wash and deseed the peppers, cut them into bits and lay them on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Then drizzle some oil on top of this, and then you're going to go ahead to bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. So the peppers are out of the oven now, and this is what they look like. Allow to cool for a bit and then go ahead to transfer these into a food processor or blender. And into that, we're going to add in some seasoning. So here we have some dried oregano, black pepper, salt, dried thyme, smoked paprika, and chicken seasoning cubes. We're also going to add in a handful of basil and some oil. And now we are going to go ahead to blend this together. So after blending, this is what we have. So to grill the chicken, you're going to wash up some chicken wings, pat dry with a paper towel, sprinkle with some salt and black pepper, and then go in with the sauce we just made. Add in about 3 tablespoons of the sauce and then mix this together. So after mixing, if you have the time, you can allow this to marinate for as long as you want, or you can just go ahead to grill this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 35 minutes. And you're going to flip it halfway through. So while the wings are baking, you're going to go ahead to make the pasta. So on one side, you're going to start cooking the pasta, and then on the other side, you're going to add in a little bit of oil into a wok. Go in with a handful of onions and saute these for about 1 to 2 minutes before adding in the sauce that we made earlier. Mix this together for about 3 to 5 minutes. We are not going to fry this for long because we've already baked the peppers. And at this point, you're going to add in the cooked pasta and some of the pasta water as well. So cook the pasta according to the instructions on the packaging. And then go ahead and give this a good mix until the pasta is well coated with the sauce. So also make sure to taste this and adjust the seasonings to your liking. And then finally, for garnishing, we are going to add in some green onions. And the only thing left to do now is to serve this up with the grilled chicken. And your pot of delicious pasta and chicken is ready to be served. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.